Hello from Beijing, the capital of China. I started this video showing you these beautiful fresh flowers that you can smell them from a kilometer away. Well, here I am at a point that if you ever come to Beijing, you must come and visit. What you see behind me is the drum tower. Every half an hour they actually play the drums, which you can even hear them from the outside. And if you decide to go in, there's no lift, 69 steps to go all the way up there. Now, opposite the drum tower, we have the bell tower. And that is the bell tower that I am showing now, opposite each other. Now, on the second floor of the bell tower, there's the biggest, heaviest ancient bell in China. And when they used to play it, it used to be heard from 5 kilometers away. Where are you now? In front of the bell tower, opposite the drum tower in Beijing, China today.